Hello, and welcome to our instructional video on how to reduce the rational expression 3 thirds to its lowest terms. In this video, we will walk through the steps needed to simplify this expression and express it in its simplest form. So let's get started. Step 1. Begin by simplifying any powers or exponents in the rational expression. In this case, the expression contains 3 raised to the power of 2. Raising a number to a power means multiplying the number by itself the specified number of times. Here, 3 raised to the power of 2 means 3 times 3, which equals 9. So the original expression 3 raised to the power of 2 is simplified to 9. We have now transformed the expression from 3 raised to the power of 2 to 9. This completes step 1, where we simplified the power or exponent. Step 2. Reduce the simplified expression to its lowest terms. In this step, we need to express our simplified number as a fraction in its simplest form if it is not already a fraction. Since we simplified the original expression 3 raised to the power of 2 to 9 in step 1, we now have the number 9. 9 can be written as a fraction with 1 as its denominator. Therefore, 9 can be written as 9 divided by 1. To determine if this fraction can be simplified further, we need to check for any common factors between the numerator and the denominator. The number 9 is the numerator, and the number 1 is the denominator. The only common factor between 9 and 1 is 1, which means this fraction is already in its simplest form. Therefore, the fraction 9 divided by 1 is already simplified to its lowest terms. Step 2 confirms that 9 divided by 1 is in its simplest form, and there are no further steps required. This concludes the process of reducing the rational expression 3 raised to the power of 2 to its lowest terms. The final simplified fraction is 9 divided by 1. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.